This video will teach you how to use work order search. Work order search allows you to look for particular or specific work orders from your enterprise or facility screen. There are a variety of filters to narrow your work order search. Opening the work order will show you details related to that maintenance. The work order search panel is located on both the enterprise and facility screens. You will always find this panel on the left side of the screen. Click on Work Order Search. The work order search grid will appear. Here, you will see different filtering options. If you are searching at the enterprise level, you will see the Facilities filter. If you are searching from the facility level, this filter will not appear on the grid. This allows you to find work orders only in that facility. You can use one or all filter boxes. If you do not select anything in a box, Hippo will assume you want to include all filters in each box. For example, work order type. You can filter by equipment to only view equipment type work orders. If you do not choose a filter from this box, it will include all equipment, location, and vehicle type work orders. To search for work orders that were due in a specific date range, use the Due Date Range filter. Click in the From field to choose the beginning date range. Click in the To field to choose the ending date range. Likewise, you can do the same with the generated date range. This will search for work orders that were generated in a specific date range. You can also search for a demand or PM work order. Again, if you do not select any of these filters, it will show both types of work orders. Next, you can also select a work order status filter. For example, checkmark the box next to Completed to view any work orders that are completed. Next, you can also select a work category filter. For example, checkmark the box next to HVAC to view any work orders associated to the HVAC work category. The last filter box is Assigned Resources. Use this filter to search for work orders assigned to a specific resource. After selecting your filters, click the Search button. Your search results will appear in the bottom half of the screen. Use the Keyword Search field to search amongst your results based on a specific keyword. You can also click the column name to search each column alphabetically. To open the work order, click View next to the work order ID number. The work order will appear in a new window. Scroll through the work order to view all details. Click the Print button to print the work order. Or click the Close button to return to the work order search grid. This is how you use work order search.